Guys, in this video, seriously, I'm gonna tell you one of the main reasons why I'm using Ideogram. You can see all of the images that I generated. I'll take you to the one that I want to refer to for this video. So you see there's a diverse mix of all these artistic styles, but let's specifically go to this one. So you see this image actually. In the background, you see the cats over here, and then you see Make Cats Great Again, Trump 2024. This one also has a cap for Trump 2024. This might not be perfect, but Trump 2024 again, Trump great again. Now, this is all that this ideogram generated for me, and just guess what I wrote in the prompt. You will be really surprised. Prompt was simple: cats for Trump, and even I didn't spell Trump right. So this very simple one generated me this, and you see how it knows that this is the slogan for Trump, Make America Great Again, and it put it in the background Trump 2024, and then ideogram the AI behind it. It knows that Trump's running for 2024 and Trump great again. So you see all this stuff, and just I had to put cats for Trump. Now this is the ease and the minimalistic prompting that actually captivates me to keep using ideogram, and also recommending to you as well. Now the magic prompt that it made itself was a photo of cats wearing Trump 2024 campaign hats. They are sitting on chair in a room with the Make Cats Great Again banner. The background contains a few more cats sitting on the shelf. So it's quite accurate considering what ideogram itself made with the magic prompt over here. Now if you see some other generations for the very same prompt, so it is cats for Trump, and this one it also seems similar with, you see how Trump has a red tie, and also Trump 2024 written all across, Trump 2024 dies. And this very first one, this isn't perfect, but you see two of these this one and also this one, ideogram did go above and beyond my expectations, and I was really interested in sharing this with you. And if you don't have much time and you aren't into those long prompting and learning the prompt engineering stuff, then you have to try out ideogram if you are not using it before this video actually. So there was a time when I thought that I should actually stop using ideogram because I didn't use it that much, but then I thought that the utility, it's amazing. You just have to do minimalistic prompting and it will save you a lot of time. So you can check out ideogram through the link in the description. And if you are interested in this sort of content, you might be seeing two videos on the screen right now which might be relevant to your interests and liking. So I'll see you in either of those. Take care, stay blessed.